All right, so the tree that's behind me, my original plan was to kind of fell that down the hill. Where I'm standing here, there's a fence right behind the camera in this tree, and with the log skidder, there's not a good way to kind of back up and go straight down the hill, so I'd be off camber, and I don't think that's a good idea with the way that this tree is. So what I'm actually going to end up doing is I'm actually just going to end up felling it that way. So let me show you why. So when we look at this tree going up, you can see there's a little bit of an offset there. Not a big deal, it would still go that way if that was the only thing. All right, so now we come over here and we start kind of panning up this. I don't know how well this angle shows up on camera, but the tree is going that way quite a bit. I do not feel confident in the ability to put it that way by cutting it, and I don't want to get the skidder over here and get into a bad spot, so I'm just going to fell it that way and go straight towards. Basically, I'm going to be hitting the winch on the skidder. That's kind of the plan. So we'll see how it goes. So for those of you that are wondering why I would put on chaps to cut one tree, anywhere near the house up here, it would blow your mind the number of things that I have found inside of trees. Let's look up here. So I was going for the winch on the skidder. I'd say that's pretty good. It's pointed right at it. Much easier to hold. Well, we got the tree bucked up here, and what I'm going to do is go to the other end, take the grapple, theory, I will just drive next to it and scoop all those limbs.